Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Mazda BT-50 XT dual cab ute, stock reference number 5391. The shape runs from the 7th month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a 4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual four-wheel drive transmission. .4JJ3 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, tidy radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy full 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.